Beneath the waves lies a world so alien, it makes the surface feel like another planet entirely. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine the ocean, not the shoreline you know, but the vast, silent depths where sunlight fades into eternal twilight. Down here, the rules of life bend in ways that feel almost magical. The deep ocean is Earth's last great frontier, a place of eerie beauty and secrets we're only beginning to uncover. Let's dive in, slowly, and let the wonders of this hidden world wash over you. The deep ocean covers over 70% of the Earth's surface, making it the largest habitat on the planet. As we descend into this vast, mysterious realm, the darkness is illuminated only by the faint glow of bioluminescent creatures, like tiny stars in the blackness. As we venture deeper, we come to the deepest part of the ocean, the Challenger Deep, which has a depth of approximately 36,000 feet. To put that in perspective, if you were to drop Mount Everest, the highest mountain on Earth, into the Challenger Deep, its peak would still be over 7,000 feet underwater. Here's something that surprises most people. The deep ocean is home to an estimated 226,000 identified species, with many more still waiting to be discovered. As we explore the ocean's depths, we're constantly surprised by the incredible diversity of life that thrives in this alien environment, from giant squid to deep-sea vent creatures. Consider this, the longest mountain range in the world is not on land, but under the ocean, and is called the Mid-Ocean Ridge. This vast, serpentine range stretches for over 40,000 miles, its peaks and valleys hidden beneath the waves, shaping the ocean's floor and governing the tides. Moving on, the deep ocean plays a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate, producing 50 to 85% of the planet's oxygen. As phytoplankton and other marine plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, they help to mitigate the effects of climate change, making the deep ocean a vital component of our planet's life support system. This one is fascinating. The deepest living fish, the Hadal snailfish, has been found at depths of over 27,000 feet in the Mariana Trench. This incredible creature has adapted to the crushing pressure and near-total darkness of the deep ocean, its body flattened and its eyes reduced to mere slits, a testament to the boundless diversity of life on Earth. On a related note, the ocean's deepest ecosystems are supported by chemosynthesis, a process in which bacteria convert chemicals into energy. In the absence of sunlight, these bacteria form the base of a unique food web, sustenance for giant tube worms and other organisms that cluster around hydrothermal vents, where superheated water spews from the Earth's crust. Another thing worth knowing is that the largest living structure on Earth is the Great Barrier Reef, spanning over 1,400 miles off the coast of Australia. As the reef's vibrant coral and diverse marine life stretch towards the surface, they create a kaleidoscope of color and texture, a breathtaking example of the beauty and complexity of the natural world. As we delve deeper, we find underwater lakes and rivers, known as brine pools, which are filled with salty, toxic water. These strange, alien-like environments are found on the ocean floor, where dense, salty water collects in depressions, creating a unique and hostile world that's home to a handful of specially adapted organisms. Here's a remarkable fact. The deepest part of the ocean is also one of the most remote, with some areas receiving less than 1% of the sunlight that reaches the surface. In this dimly lit world, bioluminescent creatures shine like beacons, lighting the way for other organisms to navigate and find prey in the darkness, a testament to the incredible adaptability of life on Earth. Consider the ocean's twilight zone, which extends from about 660 to 3,300 feet below the surface, home to a vast array of bioluminescent creatures. As we explore this mysterious realm, we're surrounded by a dazzling display of glowing fish, jellyfish, and other organisms, their lights flashing like fireworks in the darkness, a truly magical experience. Moving on, the deep ocean is a major source of new medicines, with many species producing unique compounds with potential health benefits. From painkillers to antibiotics, the deep ocean has already yielded a number of important discoveries, and scientists believe that many more are waiting to be found, highlighting the importance of preserving this incredible resource. This one is astonishing. The longest migration of any animal is made by the leatherback sea turtle, which travels over 10,000 miles each year. As these incredible creatures journey across the ocean, they face numerous challenges, from predators to pollution, and yet they continue to thrive, a testament to the resilience and determination of life on Earth. On a related note, the deep ocean is home to underwater mountains, known as seamounts, which are formed by volcanic activity. These towering peaks rise from the ocean floor, their slopes covered in coral and other marine life, creating unique ecosystems that support a wide range of species, from fish to invertebrates. Another thing worth knowing is that the deep ocean is also one of the most food-scarce environments on Earth, with some areas receiving less than 1% of the nutrients that reach the surface. In this harsh, unforgiving world, organisms have adapted to survive on limited resources, from giant squid that roam the darkness in search of prey, to deep-sea vent creatures that cluster around hydrothermal vents, where chemicals provide a meager sustenance. Here's something that's often overlooked. The ocean's deep water currents play a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate, transporting heat and nutrients across the globe. As these slow-moving currents circulate through the ocean, they help to distribute heat from the equator towards the poles, influencing weather patterns and shaping the planet's climate, a reminder of the deep ocean's profound impact on our world. Consider the unique ecosystems that thrive in the deep ocean's trenches, characterized by extreme pressure and near-total darkness. In these alien-like environments, organisms have evolved to thrive in conditions that would be hostile to most other life forms, from giant amphipods to deep-sea fish, each with their own remarkable adaptations to the extreme conditions. This one is fascinating. The largest invertebrate on Earth is the lion's mane jellyfish, which can grow up to 120 feet in length. As this incredible creature drifts through the ocean, its translucent body glowing in the dim light, it's a reminder of the awe-inspiring diversity of life on our planet, and the many wonders that still await discovery. Moving on, the deep ocean is a significant sink for carbon dioxide, with an estimated 50% of the Earth's CO2 being absorbed by the oceans. As the ocean's phytoplankton and other marine plants absorb carbon dioxide, they help to mitigate the effects of climate change, making the deep ocean a vital component of our planet's life support system, and highlighting the need to protect this precious resource. Here's a remarkable fact. The deepest part of the ocean is also one of the most quiet environments on Earth, with some areas experiencing a silence that's almost surreal. In this stillness, the sounds of the ocean take on a new significance, from the faint rumble of earthquakes to the haunting calls of whales, each sound a reminder of the ocean's power and mystery. Consider the ocean's deep water coral reefs, some of the most diverse ecosystems on the planet, supporting a wide range of species. As we explore these vibrant, colorful environments, we're surrounded by a dazzling array of fish, invertebrates, and other organisms, each one playing a vital role in the delicate balance of the ecosystem, a testament to the incredible complexity of life on Earth. On a related note, the deep ocean is home to unique geological features, such as hydrothermal vents, which support a wide range of microorganisms. As superheated water spews from the Earth's crust, it creates a chemical-rich environment that supports a diverse array of life, from giant tube worms to microorganisms that thrive in the harsh conditions surrounding the vents. Another thing worth knowing is that the deepest part of the ocean is also one of the most remote and inaccessible environments on Earth, with some areas being over 1,000 miles from the nearest landmass. As we venture into this vast, unexplored region, we're reminded of the incredible challenges that face those who seek to explore and understand the deep ocean, from the extreme pressure to the near-total darkness. Here's something that's often overlooked. The ocean's deep-water fish have evolved a range of unique adaptations to survive in the harsh conditions of the deep sea, including large eyes and bioluminescent lures. As we explore the deep ocean, we're constantly amazed by the incredible diversity of life that thrives in this environment, from the anglerfish with its lure on top of its head, to the viperfish with its massive teeth and bioluminescent jaws. Consider the crucial role that the deep ocean plays in the Earth's water cycle, with an estimated 10% of the planet's water being cycled through the oceans each year. As the ocean's water evaporates, condenses, and precipitates, it helps to distribute fresh water around the globe, supporting life on land and in the ocean, and reminding us of the deep connections that exist between our planet's oceans, atmosphere, and land masses. This one is fascinating. The deep-sea vent ecosystem is home to giant tube worms that can grow up to 8 feet long. These remarkable creatures thrive in the harsh, chemical-rich environments surrounding the vents, where superheated water spews forth from the Earth's crust. Moving on, the deepest part of the ocean, the Challenger Deep, is approximately 36,000 feet deep. To put that in perspective, if you were to drop Mount Everest, the highest mountain on Earth, into the Challenger Deep, its peak would still be over a mile underwater. Here's a remarkable fact. Bioluminescent creatures, such as certain species of jellyfish and plankton, produce their own light through a chemical reaction involving a molecule called luciferin. This ethereal glow can be seen in the darkness of the deep ocean, where it serves as a means of communication, mating, and predator avoidance. Consider the ocean's twilight zone, extending from about 200 to 1,000 meters below the surface, home to an array of bizarre and fascinating creatures, including the vampire squid and the frilled shark. In this dimly lit region, the last remnants of sunlight barely penetrate, and the landscape is illuminated only by the faint glow of bioluminescent organisms. On a related note, the longest mountain range in the world is not on land, but underwater, and is called the Mid-Ocean Ridge. This vast, serpentine range stretches for over 40,000 miles, weaving its way around the globe, and is formed by plate tectonics and volcanic activity. Here's something that's often overlooked. Deep-sea fish, such as the anglerfish and the viperfish, have large teeth and powerful jaws that allow them to capture and eat prey in the food-scarce environment of the deep ocean. These formidable predators have adapted to the harsh conditions of the deep, where the pressure is extreme and the light is scarce, and have evolved unique strategies to survive and thrive. Consider the unique underwater lakes and rivers, including the famous brine pool in the Gulf of Mexico. These unusual features are formed when seawater seeps through the seafloor and becomes trapped in depressions, creating isolated, chemically distinct environments that support unique communities of microorganisms. This one is fascinating. The deepest dwelling fish ever discovered is the Hadal snailfish, which has been found as deep as 27,000 feet below the surface. This remarkable creature has a pink, gelatinous body and a head that is surrounded by a delicate, lace-like network of sensory organs, which it uses to detect the faint vibrations of its prey in the darkness. On a related note, the ocean's deepest trenches are home to a unique community of microorganisms that thrive in the harsh, high-pressure environment. These tiny creatures, such as the giant tube worms symbiotic bacteria, have evolved to survive in a world without light, where the only energy source is the chemicals emanating from the Earth's crust. Here's a remarkable fact. The deep ocean is a significant sink for carbon dioxide, with an estimated 50% of the Earth's CO2 being absorbed by the oceans. This process, known as ocean carbon sequestration, helps to regulate the Earth's climate, and is an important factor in mitigating the effects of climate change. Consider the largest invertebrate on Earth, the deep-sea squid, which can grow up to 20 feet in length and weigh over 100 pounds. These massive creatures are found in the deep waters of the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans, where they use their powerful beaks and suckers to capture and eat large prey, such as fish and other squid. This one is fascinating. The deep ocean is home to a variety of underwater landscapes, including mountains, valleys, and plains, which are formed by tectonic activity and erosion. These features are constantly changing, as the Earth's crust is shaped by the forces of plate tectonics, and the seafloor is sculpted by the currents and sedimentation. On a related note, the deepest part of the ocean is also one of the most remote, with the nearest human settlement to the Challenger Deep being over 1,000 miles away. This isolation, combined with the extreme conditions of the deep ocean, makes it one of the most challenging and inaccessible environments on Earth, and a true frontier for human exploration. Here's a remarkable fact. The deep ocean is a major source of new medicines, with many species of deep-sea creatures producing unique compounds with potential therapeutic applications. For example, the cone snail's venom has been found to contain a powerful painkiller, which is now being developed as a potential treatment for chronic pain. Consider the ocean's deep waters, home to a variety of unique and fascinating creatures, including the giant isopod, which is a crustacean that can grow up to 30 inches in length. These creatures are found in the deep waters of the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans, where they feed on the carcasses of dead animals and other organic matter that sinks to the seafloor. This one is fascinating. The deep ocean is a key component of the Earth's climate system, with the oceans playing a major role in regulating the planet's temperature and weather patterns. The deep ocean's heat capacity and circulation patterns help to distribute heat around the globe, and its currents and upwellings influence regional climate conditions, such as the formation of hurricanes and El Niño events. On a related note, the deepest dwelling coral reef in the world is located in the Mariana Trench, at a depth of over 20,000 feet. This remarkable ecosystem is home to a variety of unique and exotic species, including corals, sponges, and fish, which have adapted to the extreme conditions of the deep ocean. Here's a remarkable fact. The ocean's deep waters are home to a variety of underwater volcanoes, which are formed when magma from the Earth's mantle rises to the surface and erupts. These volcanoes can produce unique landforms, such as seamounts and geodes, which are formed by the accumulation of lava and other volcanic materials. Consider the deep ocean's significance as a source of mineral resources, including copper, zinc, and gold, which are found in the form of hydrothermal deposits. These deposits are formed when hot water from the Earth's crust rises to the surface and deposits minerals, creating rich veins of or that can be mined for their valuable resources. This one is fascinating. The deep ocean is also one of the most food-scarce environments on Earth, with the average depth of the deep sea being over 12,000 feet. In this environment, the scarcity of food and energy sources means that life is often slow-paced and efficient, with many organisms relying on chemosynthesis or other alternative sources of energy. On a related note, the ocean's deep waters are home to a variety of unique and fascinating creatures, including the colossal squid, which is thought to be one of the largest invertebrates on Earth. This massive creature is found in the deep waters of the Antarctic and Southern Oceans, where it feeds on large prey, such as fish and other squid, using its powerful beak and suckers. Here's a remarkable fact. The deep ocean is a key component of the Earth's ecosystem, with the oceans playing a major role in regulating the planet's nutrient cycles and supporting marine life. The deep ocean's nutrient-rich waters support a vast array of marine life, from tiny plankton to massive blue whales, and its nutrient cycles help to maintain the health and productivity of the oceans. Consider the deep ocean's mystique, with much of the deep sea remaining unexplored and unmapped. This lack of knowledge and understanding means that the deep ocean is a true frontier for human exploration, with new discoveries and insights waiting to be uncovered by scientists and explorers. This one is fascinating. The ocean's deep waters are home to a variety of unique and fascinating landforms, including the Mariana Trench's Challenger Deep, which is the lowest point on Earth. This natural wonder is a testament to the awe-inspiring power and complexity of the Earth's geology, and a reminder of the many secrets and mysteries that still await discovery in the deep ocean. Finally, consider the deep ocean's enduring allure, with its unique landscapes, bizarre creatures, and unexplored mysteries waiting to be discovered and explored. As we continue to explore and learn more about the deep ocean, we are reminded of the importance of preserving and protecting this vital component of our planet's ecosystem, and of the many wonders and discoveries that still await us in the uncharted depths of the sea. And just like that, we return to the surface, our minds still lingering in the quiet, crushing dark where creatures glow like stars and mountains rise unseen. The deep ocean reminds us how little we truly know about our own planet, how much mystery still swirls beneath the waves. Until next time, may your dreams be as deep and boundless as the sea itself. Sleep well, and thank you for joining me on this journey. If you enjoyed that, hit subscribe. We post new facts every week.